Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to connect your Suunto 7 to Android. First, make sure your Suunto 7 smartwatch has at least 50% battery life. Next, ensure your Android phone is connected to a stable internet connection. You will need to download two essential applications, the Wear OS by Google app and the Suunto app, both available from the Google Play Store. These apps are crucial for a smooth setup process and full functionality. Now, let's pair your devices. Open the Wear OS by Google app on your Android phone, power on your Suunto 7, and choose your preferred language. You'll then need to accept the terms and conditions directly on your watch. The Wear OS app will guide you through the pairing process. Look for a 6-digit code on your watch's screen and carefully enter it into the corresponding field within the Wear OS app on your phone. After successful pairing, you'll need to complete a few more steps. Grant all necessary permissions to the Wear OS app on your phone. Then, sign in with your Google account directly on your Suunto 7. The watch will then synchronize and download any available updates, which might take several minutes. Once that's done, open the Suunto app on your Android phone and follow the prompts to connect your watch, ensuring you grant all requested permissions. If you encounter any issues, here are some troubleshooting tips. First, confirm that Bluetooth is active on both your Android phone and your Suunto 7. If problems persist, try restarting both devices. Always check for the latest updates for both the Wear OS by Google and Suunto apps. For the best connection, keep your phone and watch within a 10-meter range. As a last resort, a factory reset of your watch can often resolve stubborn issues.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.